Raise your hand if you have a feeling like I should be better at self-promotion than I am. Is there any voice in you that says, I should be better at talking about myself? That must be the craziest thought of the whole day. Why do I say that? Because self-promotion is not our human superpower at all. It is, in fact, our kryptonite. Yeah? This makes most people feel uncomfortable. Here's a strange thought. We're just finishing a day of marketing workshop. And if I were to say, hey, before we go, I'm going to pick 3 of you to just stand up and promote yourself. Pitch yourself. It's like for a lot of people, this is like, oh no. When I was in England, I was in Brighton. And I was hosted by this group, the Happy Startup, who do fantastic work. And I said, hey, Carlos, Lawrence, do you want to come up and talk about your thing? And their response was like, fuck. That's a proper human response. To just feel a little bashful, a little shy, a little bit like, I wasn't expecting this. Okay, here we go. There are some people who feel totally fine and shameless about constantly self-promoting themselves, and they are called sociopaths. But for most humans, we just feel shy about it. Why? I don't know. That just seems to be how it is. I've just noticed after 23 years in doing this that nobody really is comfortable. So I'm going to say a couple things. You're going to like one, you're going to hate the other. This first one is just going to be true. I bet you'll get me an amen. You are fucking terrible at promoting yourself. Can I get an amen? Amen. Okay, you're just no good at it. Here's the second one. You will always be fucking terrible at promoting yourself. Ugh. Why does Tad have to end his workshop on such a bummer? What a down note to end the day on. I'm not done. Let me see what I can do about that. So, it's true though. The best you can expect is that you'll be less shitty at self-promotion. You're really never going to be fantastic at it. But wait, I said self-promotion is not a human superpower, it's our kryptonite. But if there's kryptonite, that means there's got to be a superpower. You don't come from Krypton, get no powers when you arrive. So then what is this human superpower? Any guesses? Promoting other people. You are all fucking fantastic at promoting other people. You're so good at promoting others. There are businesses who are alive today because you send them business. There's that restaurant in town that has not thanked you enough for how many people you've brought. You know what I'm saying? You're so good and it's easy. If you go to a networking event, if you feel awkward about networking, just a little tip. Go. Sorry, SARS. Not soon enough? Not soon enough. You go to if you go to a networking event, go with a colleague who you love. And you network for them and they network for you. It's automatically more enjoyable to everybody. Because the things I could say, I go to a networking event with Monica, I say, oh my God, Monica's amazing. She's such a badass. She's started all these kinds of businesses. She's incredible. You haven't met Monica? I can't even believe it. You two have to work, oh my God, you have to work together. This is amazing. She's the best, you're the best, this is great. That's fine. A little over the top and enthusiastic maybe, but it's fine. But now imagine I say that about myself. Oh my God, we haven't met. I'm the fucking best. I'm so great. We haven't met. We have to work together. You're the best. I'm the best. We're going to do. You sound like there's an old Scottish Gaelic word for this. It's a douchebag. You're just not supposed to be. Okay, so then what does marketing become? It becomes making it easy for the people who love you to promote you. They're going to be better at promoting you than you are, for sure. You're just never going to be as good at promoting you as they are. So we just cooperate with the inevitable on that one. We stop trying to change reality. I mean, just let me save you years of therapy and inner work. You're just not good at it. It's not going to change. That's not where you want to move the needle, is getting yourself more at ease with the constant self-promotion. I'm not saying there's not that too. I'm just saying if you want to focus on these things. Make the structures so people can spread the word about you. Let them do it.